What up, YouTube? Welcome back to Fun Biz. Today, well, first of all, you all know this channel is about financial education business. And it's all about just trying to be financially free. So we have something really good going on, right? We got Hyrecar stock analysis. What we're going to do is we're going to look at what is going on with Hyrecar. Why is the stock blowing up, huh? Well, there's a lot of reasons why, but before I continue, for those of you who don't know what Hyrecar is, I just want to quickly do a tiny, short, mini review, right? Before that, I just want to tell you about if you want, well, I just go ahead, let me just show you the example. So Hyrecar connects drivers and car owners to a platform called Hyrecar. And Hyrecar allows those drivers to drive for Lyft, Uber, Instacart, Turo, Amazon Flex, right? TaskRabbit, Get Around, and I have a lot of other gig jobs that people do, right? So if you have a car and you want to rent it out on Hyrecar, I'm going to post this link at the bottom. This link is going to allow you, it's going to take you to Hyrecar's website where you can post your car as an owner. And on the other hand, if you want to start driving on Hyrecar and make some passive income, or you just want a car to drive around, to be honest, rather than getting it on Turo because Turo is too expensive, just get it on Hyrecar. Who cares what you use the car for if you're going to rent a car anyways? There you go. So this stock I started looking at a while back. I started looking at it around April, right? April of this year. It was around $10 a share. And that was right here. I started looking at it right here. And since then, this stock has rallied ridiculously. I mean, this is in about 80 days. We have hit heights of a little bit than 79 days, right? Actually, less than that. It's been just about 79 to 80 days, 78 days. I have hit 128% return on my regular stocks, and my call options, I'm over 300%. Once I started renting cars out on Hyrecar, I really came to the conclusion no other company is doing what Hyrecar is doing. Hyrecar is, if you look at it, it can be Turo, and as well as Lyft, right? Because sorry, not Lyft, just like Turo, because Turo allows people to rent their car to enjoy driving around. This is Turo, but if you wanted, you could, with Hyrecar, you can rent the car to drive around and also work. So the car gives you a job, especially with the current. The reason I bought the stock when I started posting my cars on Hyrecar is because in the long run, and millennials and Gen Zs are looking to be their own boss. They don't want to answer to nobody. As time goes by, this is so true. More and more people are gonna want to get a job without applying for it, blah, blah, blah. They just want to go get a car and start driving for Lyft, Uber, and start making hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, driving for Uber. And also, the awesome thing about it is it benefits parties. Drivers get to make money. Owners get to make passive income while they are doing their career. So I just thought, like, this is the only company that's doing this, right? I think Hyrecar has great potential in the long run just because of that. So look at this. It's been up. It's up almost 9% today. It's been up for the past few days. It's been ridiculous. This is on the 4-hour. Let's look at it on the daily. I mean, since May 17th, right? Let's go from the lowest of May 17th to now. 149%. That's just insane. So let's look at why the stock is blowing up so much, right? There's got to be a reason, because guys, y'all know the stock market doesn't just reward you for no reason. Look at that. Today, this price here is the highest it's ever been for the past 52 weeks for the year. So, why is the stock so high? Well, let me tell you why. There's a big reason why. Because Hyrecar is going to be added on the Russell 3000. This was posted June 7th. Hyrecar also posted it on their website. So Hyrecar is going to be in the Russell 3000. So annual Russell Index reconstitution captures the 4,000 largest U.S. stocks as May 7th, ranking them by total market cap. Membership in the U.S. All-Cap Russell 3000 Index means automatic inclusion in the Large Cap Russell 1000 Index or Small Cap Russell 2000 Index, as well as appropriate growth in value style indexes. When this was posted, Hyrecar market cap was $345 million, and the stock was $17 a share, guys. And this is posted May 7th? Yeah, June 7th. And now the stock is what? $23, almost $24 a share. So that is one reason why the stock blew up. But also there's other reasons, right? So here, Hyrecar is starting to partner with key allies that's going to be mutually beneficial. So we have this, we've talked about that. So right here, I'm going to read this. The rally took another leg higher last week after company announced a potential game-changing strategic partnership with Ameridrive Holding and the specialty lending unit of Coin Bank to materially increase supply on the company's platform up to 9,000 cars from approximately 3,000 currently, thus removing a long-standing obstacle for Hyrecar to really scale the business. Once fully ramped up, a new partnership could result in the company's annual revenue triple from the current level. Why triple? Because right now Hyrecar has 3,000 cars, right? There's demand for the car, but there's over 100,000 gig economy drivers on a quarterly basis, but only 3,000 cars on Hyrecar platform. So Hyrecar needs more cars on the platform. When they do finally get this partnership with Ameridrive, Hyrecar is going to benefit because more and more drivers are going to go to the platform. Hyrecar is going to advertise more to get drivers onto the platform. And I think this is really good for Hyrecar. So the CEO goes on and says, Hyrecar is now in position to achieve its goal of being the nation's largest in supplying on-demand vehicles for the mobility industry. Our partnership with Ameridrive and Coin Bank will fortify the ecosystem for Hyrecar to serve the gig economy on a national scale. Ameridrive has entered into agreement with significant vehicle supply partnership that could provide over $65 million in assets to ensure supply. Our exclusive partnership with Ameridrive further validates that Hyrecar platform and our ability to execute regardless of difficult times, especially the environment that we are in right now. This is very good news. He said, look, more cars on platform, $65 million asset is going to be added. He goes on and says, guys, one more thing, right? Right here when he was talking about that Hyrecar to serve the gig economy nation's car, Hyrecar is almost in every single state, right? If you think about like Lyft, Turo, and stuff like that, they're not in every single state because there's some regulation. Unlike any of them, like even Enterprise and stuff like that, they're not in every state. Hyrecar is benefiting every single state. That is really good for Hyrecar, especially as they add more cars. So let's go on in the second paragraph. He says, I believe, he says, in one of the most challenging years, this is the CEO, years imaginable. We have been able to sustain a 50% growth rate with just over 3,000 cars. By maximizing vehicle utilization, these partnerships will help us significantly increase vehicle supply to our expanded ecosystem while securing a strong sustainable growth of 2021 and thereafter. I agree. I think this is the beginning of different partnerships that Hyrecar is going to have. He goes on and said, yeah, so this is going to be, yeah, so as time goes by, I think we're going to get more and more partnership. The CEO of AmeriDrive Holding Inc. says, you know what, we're gonna add up to at least 6,000 cars. That would give Hyrecar up to at least 9,000 cars, right? And this is great. This is gonna be amazing for Hyrecar. I love seeing this. So I want to quickly go through this. This is data from Hyrecar, 2018 to 2020. Of course, we're in 2021. I thought this was a really cool revenue picture right here, quarter over quarter. Look at this revenue growth. It's just crazy. In 2 years, right, we've gone from 1.7 million to about 6.6 to 6.8 million dollars. That is just crazy. So rental days, right? So demand for Hyrecar, as you can see, is exploding. Quarter over quarter, continuous demand growth. And this is Q3 2020, and current demand is way higher than that. And people are demanding to rent cars on Hyrecar more and more often. And I think this is going to continue as the economy opens and Hyrecar, as they get more cars onto the platform. So I like this bottom line analysis, which is a potential transformative strategic agreement with AmeriDrive Holding and a special lending unit of Koyum Bank should support the company's effort to address the ongoing demand and supply imbalance on its platform, which currently attracts over 100,000 gig economy drivers on a quarterly basis, but only offers approximately 3,000 cars. That's not good. I think Hyrecar definitely needs more car on the platform, right? So more and more drivers can benefit. So next, really big news right here, guys. This is big news, right? Hyrecar gets Sergi de Boch. Sergi de Boch. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but thank you, first of all, Scott Brogy. I don't even know how to say his name, for really helping Hyrecar get to this point, guys. He's obviously really good, really understands what he's doing because he was able to get Hyrecar to this point. Now we get Sergi de Boch, who's got really good experience in the finance field. He's gonna be Chief Financial Officer. So why do I think Sergi is a good addition? Because of this paragraph. He's a seasoned financial executive. Sergi has proven track record, successfully scaling businesses, building teams, collaborating across large and small organizations in the mobility, technology, and internet space. Most recently, Sergi was promoted to SVP of Finance at Spin, a Ford mobility company where he acted as a divisional CFO during his tenure. At Spin, he led finance, accounting, procurement functions. We need this at Hyrecar. He spearheaded 10-year strategic vision, financial planning, developed new incentive plans, which we need this at Hyrecar, designed new marketing P&L framework, rolled out a new peer-to-peer process, and supported international expansion in 4 new countries. Impressive. I like this. All this is needed in a new tech company. Before that, he worked at Twitch as the head of finance and Interactive, we all know, and a gaming company owned by Amazon. At Twitch, he scaled the finance function and installed financial discipline during the period of rapid organizational growth. Before that, he was AVP and Senior Director, Strategic Financial and Analyst at Liberty Mutual Company, where he led a team providing analytic support, strategic planning, and financial support. He also previously held position at Staples, Deloitte, Procter & Gamble, PwC, mostly in finance, M&A, and public accounting capacities. He graduated with MBA from University of Chicago Booth School of Business. Guys, he's had good experience. I mean, to be able to have worked at all those huge corporate companies, great startup like Twitch. Guys, imagine his experience from Twitch. Twitch was a company that's growing quick. They had to learn how to acquisition partners and as well as customers, and keep those customers and keep them coming back. But also incentivize people who are using the platform, but not overly incentivize them. So I think he's such a great addition to Hyrecar. Let's go on. Went and looked him up on I went and looked him up on here on LinkedIn, and I think let's go look right here, right? So SVP Financial Division, and at Spin, right? Full time there. He was, and then let's keep going down. Twitch, right? That was 2020, from March 2018 to 2020. That's 2 years of experience. 6 years at Liberty Mutual Insurance, AVP and Senior Director of Strategic Finance Analytics. So that is good experience in finance. Staple, 2 years. Senior Manager, right? Manager, Financial Planning and Analysis. Guys, good experience. And then JP Morgan. It looks like he had healthcare, investment banking, summer associate. Looks like he got some 3 months there of experience. At Deloitte, guys, he was there for 3 years. Management, transaction, and valuation services. Guys, I really do think he was an auditor, CPA equivalent experience. Sergey, welcome to Hyrecar. I'm like, guys, this is a great addition. I am serious. I think he's going to make a big difference in the company. I think he's very seasoned, still young, but very seasoned. He's had good experience with a good startup like Twitch. He's had good experience with Deloitte, and as well as Liberty Mutual, large corporate companies. And I think he's going to be a great addition to the company. So right here, this is his quick bio, guys. I mean, go check him out if you're interested in more. With 13 years manager roles, 25 plus directed teams. So he's really had great experience. So that's it, guys. That really is it for today's video. I know it was kind of long, but I really think I thought it'd be valuable to just show you why the stock on Hyrecar is doing so well, why it's just exploding like crazy, and this is the reason why. The team is partnering with great companies. They are bringing new cars, they are bringing in banks, they are bringing in new leadership in the finance, in the finance department, as well as if I listen to their earnings recently, they are bringing more people into the call centers and stuff like that because they need help. They're growing so much, they need more people in that department. I really hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was helpful, make sure you click that bell notification, make sure you follow me, make sure you subscribe so that when I post stuff like this, it comes up right away, it gives you a notification. Also, I think if this kind of valuable stuff, if it can go to other people that if they want to invest, if they want to understand how to invest, they can look at my videos and they could be helped. They could be helped. You know what I'm saying? So thank you so much for joining me. Remember, if you want to start driving for Hyrecar, this link right here will be at the bottom and the description section of this video. If you have a car and you want to make passive income, this is the link you want to use to go to the Hyrecar, website, where you can put your cars on there. Thank you so much for joining me on this long video. I know we covered all these topics down here. I will be posting more. If you want me to post anything else, about whatever, any stock or whatever else, just go ahead and leave a comment, ask me questions. Thank you so much for joining. You have a great day.